528. That's for Butthead Nick Mace. You're aware I'm entitled to... I'm not required to move over.
No, you're not required to, but just to
You're also violated the law when you honked at me, just so you know.
No, I think you should move over.
You're not allowed to honk except if someone is doing something dangerous.
Well, you were.
No, I was not. I was doing something that keeps me out of the door zone. Keeps me from getting hit.
You weren't near the door zone.
Oh, exactly I wasn't near it. Exactly I wasn't. Because I've been doored 3 times. You know what it feels like to go from 25 to 0 in a quarter second?
Yeah.